We will go on the record in the matter 25 TR 1023, State of Wisconsin versus James Maddie. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Maddie appears in person without counsel. We're set here today in this matter for a court trial. This is a speeding matter in which it is alleged that you were speeding 20 to 24 miles an hour over the speed limit. Mr. Maddie, I believe that there's information that you have been informed of a diversion program through the district attorney's office, and I think you have declined that and you wish to proceed with a trial. Is that correct?
Yes, because I couldn't see paying an extra $100.
Well, here's the deal. I'm going to tell you, I will give you an...
Right away, the judge lays out the stakes. And this isn't just about a speeding ticket anymore. 20 plus over the limit in Wisconsin can mean serious license consequences. Suddenly, that cheap ticket doesn't look so cheap, does it?
Opportunity to think about this or to talk to the state about this. If you are found guilty of this speeding offense, this is a 20 to 24 mile per hour over. If you're found guilty, you lose your license.
Well, first of all, I'd like to know how the officer...
Well, if you want a trial, you're more than welcome to have a trial. That's your right. I just want you to understand the ramifications of what could happen if I hear all of the evidence and all of the things and I find you guilty of this exact offense. Bye-bye license. So you won't be able to drive. Okay? So you're going to have to do all kinds of programs anyway to get points back and to wait some time and to have those things. If I go through and I have a trial and I find you guilty, there's no more wheeling and dealing. There's no more trying to work and play with the district attorney's office, because if we're having a trial, we're having a trial and the ramifications will speak for itself. I just want you to be aware of that before we proceed, because you're not here with an attorney and it's not my job to give you any type of legal advice or legal consultation, but I do want you to understand the potential ramifications of a guilty verdict.
Do I have a right to have an attorney?
You have a right.
This is one of those courtroom moments people misunderstand all the time. Yes, you can hire a lawyer for a traffic case, but taxpayers usually don't provide one unless there's actual jail time involved. The judge is basically saying, it's a ticket, not a criminal trial.
To hire your own attorney, yes, not a public defender.
I don't got the money for that.
Well, then that's what it is. So
don't you have public defenders?
Not for a ticket. It's a ticket. If it were a crime and you want the district attorney to charge you with a crime, I'm sure then we can go ahead and get you a public defender. Raise some ruckus, get a disorderly conduct charge, and we're good to go.
I'm just curious, how did he ascertain a 75 mile an hour?
If what I'm hearing is you want a trial, this is your time to have a trial. You have me until as long as this goes. But if you want to think about it, although we do have our state trooper here who is ready, willing, and able to testify and has now taken off his duties of patrolling and all the other things. If you want to have time to talk to the district attorney right now, because you're thinking about it, you sure can. Otherwise, we will move forward and have your trial here today. I want you to be well informed.
Sounds like blackmail, but I'll talk to the...
It's not blackmail. Your rights are your rights. Your rights are your rights. And
I'm an old, crippled up, disabled warrior.
Oof. Calling the judge's warning blackmail is definitely a risky move. But notice how the judge stays calm and explains the consequences instead of escalating. That's courtroom control right there, firm, but measured.
Veteran.
And
I fought for rights. I fought for your rights.
And I respect every single veteran that we have, even the ones that are having issues after their service.
And suddenly the entire tone shifts. The veteran comment changes the energy in the room completely. You can hear the judge trying to balance empathy with the reality that laws still apply equally in court. Respectful, but still business.
Service. Thank you for your service. I understand that. But still, the laws are the laws are the laws, and you fought to protect our country and to defend our laws. Okay? And so that's why we are here. So if you want an opportunity to talk to the district attorney, I'm more than willing to give you some time. If not, we are ready to go, and I'm ready to hear the evidence here.
Yeah, I'll talk to him.
All right, thank you. Okay, so we will briefly adjourn until we can come back. Mr. Schmidt and Mr. Maddie, please go outside. We're back on the record, same appearances as previously noted. Mr. Maddie has had an opportunity to discuss the issue with Mr. Schmidt. Mr. Schmidt, how is this matter proceeding?
We've reached an agreement. Mr. Maddie has agreed that he would plead to speeding 11 to 15 over for 175.30 and 4 points.
And 4 points. All right, do you need to discuss that with the trooper or you're good to go?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So, Mr. Maddie, you wish to accept an offer from the state of a reduction from 11 to 15 over at $175.30 and 4 points off of your license?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long do I have to pay that fine?
I can give you time. I'm gonna guess you're on a fixed income and all of those kinds of things.
Well, I don't get my Social Security till about the 5th of the month.
I'm good. So a formal motion to amend
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
I'll plead guilty to that.
The court will accept your plea of guilt with regards to that matter. I'm gonna do you one better. I'm only gonna assess $150.
Thank you.
Okay? 4 points off of your license.
Interesting ending here. The judge actually lowers the fine even further after hearing about his financial situation. That's something many people don't realize. Judges often have limited discretion when it comes to payment timelines and fine reductions.
$150. Do you want to pay it all in full with your next check, or do you want a payment plan?
I think I can swing it on my next check.
All right, so I'm gonna say it's going to be due by June 15th, so you can figure that out, okay?
June 15th.
Pay in full by June 15th.
Oh, this is April, May, and June. Yeah, I think I can pull that off.
Okay, and is your address still 2481 240th Street in Cushing?
Yes.
Telephone ends in 1342?
Oh, what was it?
Your telephone, does it end in 1342?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, then we are adjourned.
And
Just keep your pedal off of the metal or whatever that's called. Just go a little bit slower.
yeah.